Art is a land of saints, known for bravery from AIDS. None can with it compete. Its culture, none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, all live here in unison. With rivers, sweet fountains, it's a land of high mountains. Its green forests are pretty and our source of prosperity. Let's, for it, work hard for its safety, be on guard. Warm welcome to everyone present here. Today, we, the students of Communicative English and Media Studies, are here to share our views on what does independence means to us. अनेकता में ही एकता हमारी शान है, इसीलिए मेरा भारत महान है.
Every day, the sun is free to rise, the birds are free to sing, and the rivers are free to flow. No one can stop them from working there. No one can stop them from doing their work. Does independence means this, or are we all getting what they are providing us? Independence lies where everyone is free to express themselves, their likes and dislikes, and most importantly, to be benefited with the resources equally. If we look around, there are many of us who are living in inhuman condition, where even sunlight cannot reach. They have to kill animals for their appetite, and they even don't know which is the pure water to drink. This makes very clear that they are living, but they are not free to live. And it is also that this is not situation everywhere with everyone. Here we stop thinking just because we are not facing it, we are not feeling it. And by this, we are losing our independence. According to me, independence is to think and fight for bringing freedom to every individual. Because no crime is bigger than seizing independence, either of a country, community, person, or animal. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubhangini. Our next participant is
No specific definition of independence. The meaning is neither limited to nor it can be explained in just a few words. The definition of freedom differs from person to person. I feel as a woman that there are a lot of parameters that define freedom and independence. But for me, it means the freedom to express myself, to speak my mind freely, to live life without any prejudice, stigma, or social pressure. I should be free to make my own choices about a lot of things, to choose a career or morals or hobbies and have the space and freedom to practice, participate, and engage in whatever I choose. I should be able to go anywhere at any time of the day without the fear of being harassed. I should be able to wear what I want without being judged or shamed. I should be able to do things on my own without any manipulation. I should be free to raise my voice for something that matters to me without being oppressed or silenced. No one should be entitled to determine my worth and value. I should be the only one to decide that.
Good morning, everyone. This year, on the 74th Independence Day, we will proudly hoist the national flag yet again. Remember the brave martyrs, stay glued to our television sets. But among all these activities, do we ever wonder about the gift of independence we got 7 decades back? There are patriotic sentiments attached to this day for sure, but over the years, definitions adapt and evolve. To me, independence means freedom for people to express themselves, freedom that satisfies our desires to become a stronger person, and yet does not separate us from our values.
For a nation to grow together and develop its own identity. And we are on the path of doing it. But with the time, definition of independence has changed. When anyone asks what ideal independent India means to me, then my answer will be when India would not be in an environmental basket case, when our cities do not top in the list of polluted cities, when corruption and corrosion of public institutions does not exist, when malpractices like child labor, domestic violence, instead of increasing day by day, it decreases, when Indians do not have to travel to another country in search of employment, when we do not top from the bottom in hunger index, when just writing your name is not the eligibility of being literate person, when girls can fearlessly go outside in midnight, when just born baby will not be discriminated on the basis of sex, caste and creed, when love is not limited to any caste, class and or religion. To conclude, I would say that true independence will only come when we as individuals contribute towards a growth and harmony of our country. A great leader has said.
This, we come to an end of this session and I would like to recite some lines. यहाँ मंदिर में दाना चुगकर चिड़िया मस्जिद में पानी पीती है. हमने सुना है यहाँ राधा रानी की चुनरी कोई सलमा बेगम सीती है। एक रफी थे जो महफिल महफिल रघुपति राघव गाते थे। एक प्रेमचंद जो बच्चों को ईदगाह सुनाते थे। थैंक यू।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।